अगर मैं टोटल करूँ इन बुक्स का ना, तो पता नहीं मैंने कितने पैसे अभी इसमें लगाए, या मेरे पास पता है बहुत सारे बुक्स हो गए। अब मुझे ना पक्का अब रोक लगा देनी चाहिए अपने ऊपर। आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट लाइक दिस कवर, इट्स वेरी, I don't know. Hi everyone. So last month I had my birthday and obviously I received lots of books as presents, and also we had Delhi Book Fair, Amazon Prime sale, so there were lots of things, lots of reasons for me to make book purchases. So let me just show them one by one. We'll start with Poetics by Aristotle. Now, in my earlier Daryaganj book haul video, I mentioned that I want to read everything written by Aristotle. So this one is another book that I have got, and the plan is to complete it this year. It's a very small one, it should be completed. So this book falls in the category of treatise. Now, what treatise is? As per Merriam-Webster, let me just read out what it means. A systematic exposition or argument in writing, including a methodical discussion of the facts and principles involved and conclusions reached. So basically एक रेफरेंस की तरह ट्रीटस को यूज़ किया जाता है। मतलब आप ऐसा समझ सकते हो कि कुछ फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स जो हैं वो ले डाउन कर दिए गए हैं इन बुक्स के थ्रू। Then we have The Sense of an Ending by Julian Barnes. Now this one is the winner of Man Booker Prize in 2011. I don't have much idea about this one, but I know it's a philosophical read, which I think is clear by its title also. At least to me the title looks philosophical. It's about an old man who is having some sort of reflections. So we have this. Then we have Agatha Christie. So it's a collection of Ariadne Oliver's complete mysteries. There are 4 stories in it: Third Girl, Halloween Party, Elephants Can Remember, and The Pale Horse. Agatha Christie created this character of Ariadne Oliver in her own shadow, if I can put it that way. So she kind of, how she is in her real life, I think those are the traits that she gave to this character. I have not read any of her works, so I'll have to read it. My book purchases are incomplete if I don't get Agatha Christie novels. So these 3 were the ones that I gifted to myself. Now let me show the books that my friends gifted me. So there is this set of Virginia Woolf's works, which is a part of my reading project also. The books Mrs. Dalloway particularly is a part of my reading project this year. So very soon I will be picking up Mrs. Dalloway. Then we have Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine. Again, another title that has garnered lots of praise for being what it is. I'm very excited to read this one, but probably I will be reading it in somewhere around October or November, because till September my reading list, my TBR is all packed for these months. Then we have 2 thriller/mysteries. This is How to Solve Your Own Murder, How to Seal Your Own Fate by Kristen Perrin. I think I think this one is the first one and this is the second one, but whatever it is. So these are the ones that I will be reading. I'm going to pick up this one soon as part of, I think this is a part of some Goodreads challenge, so maybe I'll pick it up as part of that. Then this one I will pick up later. So these are the books that I got as, let's say, my birthday presents, although I'm considering every book that I've got so far as my birthday present, but these are the ones that my friends gifted me and I particularly gifted in the name of giving myself a birthday present. So let me just put these aside, otherwise the stack will reach the ceiling. Here I'll have to put them some away, otherwise my books will fall off. Okay, so now let me just show the next set of books that I have. The Great Gatsby by Scott Fitzgerald. Now this one is a part of my reading project this year, so very soon I will be picking up this one and Mrs. Dalloway by Virginia Woolf. This one is, oh yeah, by the way, Mrs. Dalloway and The Great Gatsby both have completed 100 years of their publishing this year. I was anyway, like, Virginia Woolf's works were so, like, I had them on my TBR for a very long time, so I just wanted to read some of her works this year. So I thought, let's start with Mrs. Dalloway. I think it has already completed 100 years, I think in June or July somewhere. So yeah, that was the first one. Then we have Richard P. Feynman's 6 Easy Pieces. Now, this book has been on my TBR for a very, very, very long time, and I wanted to get this one, and इसका डिलीवरी चार्ज बहुत ज़्यादा रहता था. आई थिंक 80 or 90 रुपीज़. इनफैक्ट इस बार भी मैंने डिलीवरी चार्ज इसका पे किया है. इस बार आई थिंक वो जो एक साइकोलॉजी का इफेक्ट होता है ना, वो जो सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी क्रिएट करने वाला जो बायस होता है कि सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी होती है. सो इसमें क्या था ना, इस बार प्राइम सेल पर ये एक रह रहा था पीस इस बुक का. इट वॉज द लास्ट वन दैट आई गॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो एंड बाय द वे, वो जो मैंने दिखाया था ना अगाथा क्रिस्टी वाला इससे पहले, जो कलेक्शन ऑफ 4 स्टोरीज, वो वाला भी लास्ट पीस था जो मुझे मिला है. दैट वन एंड दिस वन, दीज वर द लाइक लास्ट पीसेस अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon. So I thought, okay, let me just get this. Anyway, I wanted to get this. और थोड़ा सा ये मुझे अभी सस्ता पड़ा, even though I paid delivery charges. But ये वैसे तो ये छोटू सी बुक है, लेकिन ये 1000 रुपीज़ की है. But I got it for I think 600. या 600 समथिंग का मुझे मिला. प्लस मैंने ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट मैंने 80 रुपीज़ डिलीवरी चार्जेस दिया. Things you do for the books that you ardently love. So the next one is Post Office by Charles Bukowski. Now this one I got on recommendation from Reader A Club's Aisha. I asked her, like, she reads a lot of classics, and if you're someone who is into classics, I think you should go check out her channel. And now she's active on Instagram as well, so I'll maybe like put up a link to her channel and Bookstagram in the description. So yeah, she recommended that I should start with this one if I want to start reading Bukowski. So let's see how it is. I have no idea about this. So I have no preconceived notions about this one. I'll just start reading it. Let's see. Now, rest of the books that I have, I think it's a set of 11 books. Yeah, somewhere 11 books, 10 or 11 books I have. All these were the ones that I got from Delhi Book Fair. So I got them for like, at discounted prices. So yeah, the first one is Interpreter of Melodies by Jhumpa Lahiri. I hope it's melodies only. Sounds like melody. I don't know. I hope I'm not making fun of some serious stuff here. I have no idea about this book. I just know there is a particular story by this title, Interpreter of Melodies. I think it's a collection of short stories. I just got it because it's written by Jhumpa Lahiri, and I have been wanting to read her works because I have heard so many, like she is one of the acclaimed authors that we have. So I wanted to read this, and I think there is another one, I think The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. So that is another book that I want to read. I hope to read that soon. Then we have The 5 People You Meet in Heaven by Mitch Albom. Now he's that same author who has written Tuesdays with Morrie. By the way, Tuesdays with Morrie is one of my highly recommended books. You should definitely go read that book. It's one of the most beautiful pieces of advice that you will ever receive in your life by a professor who will be dying soon. That's what I forgot the name of the disease that he was suffering with, but yeah. So you should go read that book. And yes, there are positive reviews about this book as well. So let's see. The title is intriguing, The 5 People You Meet in Heaven. So let's see what. I think I might pick this one this year. Although it's not a part of my reading project, it will be an extra thing, but I will read it. I plan to read it this year. Then we have The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. Now this Lord of the Rings series, I wanted to get the entire series, which is ultimately the plan, but I could not find the entire series. It was like, I think I got the 3rd or 4th part, but the 2nd was missing. So I thought, okay, let me just get The Hobbit, which is the first one, and then I'll maybe together I'll buy a set. So that was it. Then we have the very famous Normal People. But the Normal People के बारे में reviews ना बहुत contrasting है. Either people love it or people hate it. I don't know what to expect from this book. इसके बारे में मैंने सुना है कि बहुत ही complicated relationships इसमें showcase किए गए हैं. So देखते हैं अगर इस साल मैं पढ़ पाती हूँ इसको तो. Then I got another Agatha Christie, Problem at Polanza Bay. This one features Parker Pyne. So इस बार के जो मैंने अगाथा क्रिस्टी कलेक्शन मैंने ख़रीदा है, उसमें मतलब ना तो वो मिस मार्पल का कलेक्शन है, ना ही वो पोयरो का है. आई थिंक जो एरियाडन ऑलिवर वाले हैं उसमें आई थिंक कुछ में पोयरो फीचर हुए हैं. सो दैट वाज द आइडिया कि मुझे जो क्रिस्टी के और बाकी डिटेक्टिव्स हैं मुझे उनको भी पढ़ना था। सो या आई थिंक मैंने अगाथा क्रिस्टी की अब तक 15-16 बुक्स तो पढ़ ही ली होंगी। द अदर वन इज वर्ल्ड्स ग्रेटेस्ट शॉर्ट स्टोरीज। ना इस बुक का मुझे कवर बहुत प्यारा लगा था, सो आप कह सकते हो मैंने कवर की वजह से भी ये बुक खरीदी है। द फ्लोरल प्रिंट, द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, everything I liked about this book. So इस बुक में काफ़ी सारे शॉर्ट स्टोरीज हैं बाय द वेरी फेमस ऑथर्स दैट वी नो। ब्राम स्टोकर, आई थिंक इन्होंने ड्रैकुला लिखी है इफ़ आई एम करेक्ट। चार्ल्स डिकन्स, कॉनन डॉयल, दोस्तोव्स्की, एडगर एलन पो, एच.जी. वेल्स, बहुत सारे, मतलब जो फ्रांस काफ्का, ऑस्कर वाइल्ड, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सॉमरसेट मॉगम, काफ़ी सारे, मतलब जो फेमस हैं। सो कभी कभी मैं शॉर्ट स्टोरीज पढ़ना प्रेफर करती हूँ। जब कभी भी रीडिंग स्लम्प में आऊँ तो कुछ ऐसा शॉर्ट बुक या शॉर्ट स्टोरी उठा लो तो इट जस्ट गेट्स यू गोइंग। देन वी हैव मार्गरेट एटवुड्स Oryx and Crake. To be honest, मुझे इस बुक को मतलब I didn't want to pick this one up, but I have heard lots of praise about Margaret Atwood's works, about her writing particularly. So I thought, despite this ugly cover, I don't know, I don't like this cover. It's very, I don't know. And also, yeah, there was another reason. One was, of course, Margaret Atwood. Another one was that it was shortlisted for the Orange Prize 2004 and the Man Booker Prize 2003. So I thought, let me just read this. इस साल मैंने शायद इनकी एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी पढ़ी थी, शायद नहीं, मतलब मैंने इस साल इनकी एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी पढ़ी थी which was The Evil Mother. उसका रिव्यू भी मैं डालूंगी. Then we have A Short History of Nearly Everything by Bill Bryson. Now this book is I got from on recommendation. This book I got on recommendation from Rohan Joshi, और मैंने सुना है उनके recommendations काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. So I thought I'll give it a shot. So let's see. Book काफ़ी thick है, मतलब I think ये 500 से तो above होगा. It's above 500 pages. यार इसमें 30 पेज का तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि इंडेक्स ही है. इट इज़ 570 अराउंड है ये, अगर हम इंडेक्स, इतने पेजेस का तो इसमें इंडेक्स ही है, और बाकी बुक 574 पेजेस का ये बुक है. लेट्स सी. बट हाँ, टाइटल मुझे काफ़ी इंट्रीगिंग लग रहा है इस बुक का. यार मेरा बुक स्टैक बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, इस पर गिरना नहीं चाहिए बस. देन वी हैव द डायरी ऑफ अ CEO, The 33 Laws of Business and Life. ये मैंने काफ़ी जगह देखा है, और आई थिंक इसका एक पॉडकास्ट भी है इफ आई एम करेक्ट, शायद सेम नेम से है. सो या दिस इज़ वन पीस ऑफ नॉन फिक्शन दैट आई हैव गॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ. नॉन फिक्शन मेरा काफ़ी टाइम हो गया था मुझे पढ़े हुए, तो आई थॉट लेट मी जस्ट गेट सम बुक in the non-fiction category. So that is one. Then we have The Unbearable Lightness of Being by Milan Kundera. Now this book is again on recommendation from Aisha from Reader A Club. उनकी recommendations मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आती हैं, मतलब मैंने एक दो उनकी recommendation पर पढ़ी थी, और जिस तरीके से वो थॉट्स अपने शेयर करती हैं किसी भी बुक को लेकर, मुझे वो भी काफ़ी पसंद है. सो आई रियली लुक अप टू हर in terms of like the way you should read, particularly if you're reading classics. So I think you should go check out her channel if you are into classics particularly. So और वो movie recommendations भी देती हैं by the way. So yeah, this one is by Milan Kundera. So Milan Kundera की मुझे और भी works पढ़ने हैं, मैंने काफ़ी सुना है इन author के बारे में, so hope to read soon. Then we have a very popular title, I think, The Thursday Murder Club. अगर आप thrillers / mysteries lovers हैं तो आपने इस book के बारे में सुना होगा. ये like it's very popular these days. For the last couple of months, I have been seeing this book everywhere on my Bookstagram. So I thought I'll give it a read. So yeah, those were all the books. I don't know यार ये video कितना लंबा बना है, but yeah, मुझे और एक दो videos नहीं बनाने थे. So I thought okay, I'll just show them all together because there are other things that I want to talk to you about. I don't want to be just showcasing my books. I rarely do that. कई बार मैं books मंगाती हूँ but I don't put them up. But ये मेरा birthday month था, so I thought I had a reason to showcase the books that I've got for myself. So yeah, these were the ones. या मेरे पास पता है बहुत सारे बुक्स हो गए. अब मुझे ना पक्का अब रोक लगा देनी चाहिए अपने ऊपर कि अब कोई बुक्स नहीं, इस साल पूरा कनिका नो बुक्स, you are on a book buying ban and you have to adhere to it. So hopefully I will. I'm just doing a finger cross just in case. So yeah, अगर मैं टोटल करूँ इन बुक्स का ना, तो पता नहीं मैंने कितने पैसे अभी इसमें लगाए, इवन दो आई हैव गॉट देम द for like discounted prices, but still. So yeah, I think that was it about this particular video, and I'll see you in the next one.